Hello. Okay. I guess you guys can hear me. If not, let me know. Yeah. Okay. Let me just tweet that I'm live and we can start. Okay. Okay. Where is my Twitter? Am I live on Twitter? That's what I want to check. Yes, I am live. Now, quote live now. Join in. Someone might. So let's at least tweet about it. And most probably there won't be anyone, but if there is, why not try? Okay, so last time, do you remember what we were doing? We were trying to run the indexer we have written. It's foolproof, just edge cases are not handled. So that's okay. This is not good. We had like 500 lines of code, so I do know it should be there. Also, my machine is way too. Yeah, it's handling way too much. So that's why everything is lagging. Okay, we fucked up bad, I guess. Okay, that's why you use GitHub or Git. I guess I did everything and removed it, and now there is nothing to show for. Okay, I fucked up badly. That's great. I know this was stream, but I should have pushed this to GitHub instead of just keeping this here. Okay. I don't. I guess there is no reason to work on this now. We already fucked up so bad. Yeah. So I'm pretty sure we should just move on and do something else in the stream. Yeah, maybe let's figure out what to do tomorrow. I should have like header here. I fucked up so bad I have to change the topic now. Okay, I guess let's figure that this out. Okay, everything is lagging. Literally everything. I don't know if you guys are seeing these lags. But yeah, let's figure out DeFi Llama. Also, my production code is not managed this way. I am managing a bot, and everything is on GitHub every time I close my PC. So nothing stays here. All the progress is on GitHub always. So I'm pretty sure when I'm doing like something serious or building something that actually needs to be in production, I do take care of it. So don't come after me for that. Okay, what? No, not Solana. I want everything except, sorry, just EVM chains. Can I do that? Let's see. Have no Hyperliquid L1 doesn't have anything. Hyper EVM does. Okay, no. Tools, metrics. They changed everything, right? That's why I'm having this issue. Okay, let's look at lending. We saw Aave and we meshed up everything. Let's look at Morpho. Ethereum base, Hyperliquid, Katana, Plum, TAC, Flame. Okay, I don't know how many of these Envio supports. I know I'm pretty sure Katana is not supported, but let's check. Katana K Kaya Kakarot Chroma. There is no Katana. I don't even know if Katana is EPM or not. So probably that might be the issue. Camino, no. Compound, Scroll, Ronan, Mantle, Uni, Polygon. Okay, we might be able to. Let's see Euler, Sonic, Berachain, Swell, TAC. Okay, we should do Euler. Euler is like a great protocol. You see, uh, I did. I was here, like not. I got out after FTX or something like that. So I did eat some. I did face some loss, but not this devastating one. But afterwards, like it went up and up and up. That's why, like, I want to work on Euler. Let's see. Maybe we should start looking at Euler. Euler documentation and how that works. So tomorrow we can start that. Solidity, Ethereum. Do they want to say like EVM? After change, there is nothing. Oh no, it's about the hack. Okay, got it. Let's look at some other protocols. Jupiter, it's Solana, Sui, Hyperland is hyperliquid, right? Hyper EVM. How does someone build on hyperliquid L1? Oh, are these guys the USDH guys? Like the team who was building USDH before Foundation decided to rug pull them? I guess yes. They whereas USDH drama Twitter. No. Okay, maybe not. Navi, it's we, then BenQ, Avalanche. Oh, should we do this? Then C, Yeland. Okay, bunch of C people follow me, so I do want to. I could try this, and it might get good traction. We have BenQ, Yeland, Euler. Eco is there. No, Apto chain. Envio doesn't support. This is SVM. So both the chains, Solana and Eclipse, is SVM. Silo. Okay. This is this is a good com- contender. Xlayer, Botanics. Okay, I don't know what is Xlayer. Never saw that. Xlayer. Okay, Xlayer Envio does support. Let me check. Xlayer network. Okay, exchange list. Okay, it's L2. Oh, it's OKX L2, I guess. That's why it's called Xlayer. Got it, got it, got it. So, which which chain was that? It's Silo. No, yes, Dolomite, Etherfi, Scroll, Etherfi borrowing market. Then we have Gearbox, Etherlink, Margin Fi, Hydration. Hydration does have Envio support. Hydration HYD. No, it doesn't support hydration. Let's check. Hydration network. Okay, is this Polkadot parachain? What is hydration? Hydration is next gen L2 built on Polkadot. So this is a parachain. Yeah, I should look into these parachains also. There are a bunch of them, and they also have EVM compatible ones. Okay, hydration, Xlayer. Let me write this down somewhere here. We have Etherfi. No, we first have Euler, then Yeland, Silo, then BenQ, and then Etherfi. Etherfi borrowing market. Let's focus on these five. How does Curve have has lending? I never heard of it. I have used Curve. Erases, Aptos, yes. Cardano, okay. Cardano people using DeFi, that's great. Then Mystic Finance, Plum Network. Are all of them using like same thing? EtherFi lending. Can we see documentation? No, docs. Staking. Let's search for borrowing. We have integrated point tracking on Aave for VETH collateral and borrowing on Ethereum. Points are currently tracking your EtherFi portfolio tab. Okay. Okay, we don't actually have lending here. So we can ignore this, remove this, remove it from our list. Curve. Okay, Curve does have something. Okay, Curve's isolated lending market infrastructure enables users to borrow or lend using stablecoin Curve USD along with permissionless markets created from crypto tokenized collaterals where markets may be created permissionlessly. Okay. Positions are managed passively. If collateral price decreases, the system automatically sells off in soft liquidation. If collateral's price increases, the system recovers the collateral. Oh, okay. So I guess that's good. Let me find the documentation. Technical docs. What? There is no. There was no scroll bar. Just keep that in mind. Lending overview. Curve allows creation of permissionless lending. Okay, that's good. this is not same, but we do have new contender which we can add here. Curve llama land. Okay, what's up with BenQ? Let's see. Is there documentation? Yes, documentation. BenQ is a suite of leading DeFi protocols built on Avalanche. In short period of time, BenQ has become number one application on Avalanche by TPL thanks to BenQ's core product, each with deep liquidity and extensive integration across DeFi land. BenQ liquid staking. Okay. Is there liquid staking architecture? Let's see. Is C chain? I don't know. They have different chains, right? So I don't exactly know. If they have contracts, we can look at them. Yes, they do have contracts. Liquid staking. BenQ staked AVX, AVAX, and VQ. I don't know what VEQI. VQI. BenQ is formerly known as are governance tokens that represent user stake and influence in. Okay, we don't really care about them. Let's read the contract. Read as a proxy. Implementation. Then we'll see. Oh, yeah, contract. We just want to see, just see like was there what kind of functions we can access. Read. No, we can just see events, right? Staked, storage, access control, staked, storage. Okay, I guess yeah. This is. Let me switch. Okay, this is much better for reading. Submit, redeem, withdraw, deposit, cooldown, notice emitted when rewards are distributed into pool. Okay, good. Okay, we can do. We also have. What's the name? It's BenQ. BenQI. BenQi. I don't know what to call. So I'm gonna call it Avalanche liquid staking. Yeah, Avalanche liquid staking. We are gonna do that instead of these. I can learn about new ecosystem. So let's give it 3 days. And task is sorry, I switched into Marathi instead of English. Anyway, we'll give this 3 days. We will work on building indexer, then dashboard with GitHub Copilot. I'm not building that myself. I don't have patience to keep changing everything. Minor things here and there. It's very frustrating. Yeah, these three things we want to do, and this is the timeline. So today is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. We have 3 days to get this completed, and we'll try to do that. But right now we can read the contract. Let's close this. And let's make a list of rewards that's emitted when protocol. I don't know if you guys can see this because of the contrast. It's very weird color scheme. Emitted when the protocol reward share percentage is updated. Emitted when protocol reward share recipient is updated. Emitted when S AVAX minting is resumed. When it's paused, rewards are accrued. Emitted when maximum pooled avalanche is changed. Emitted when redeem period is updated. Emitted when cooldown period is updated. Emitted when a warden deposits AVAX into contract. Warden withdraws AVAX for delegation. Emitted when user redeems SAVAX which was not burned for AVAX within redeemed period. Emitted when a user redeems SAVAX which was not burned for AVAX. I don't beginning the okay. We'll see. I'm dumb. I don't understand the meaning of this. Emitted when user redeems delegated AVAX. Okay. Uh, these guys are weird. Who is warden? That's the main thing. Let's stop this. Close all of these. We can go to GitHub. No, we want to see who is warden. Like warden, are they delegators or are they just users? Okay, no, I guess we will not know. Okay, we can't figure that out. What it is? Lending S AVAX, staked AVAX. Okay, not useful. Not useful at all. and they are not using that interface. Staked AVAX. The reason is like you should use the interface here, right? But they just have that. Okay, we could have read it here also. Unlock cancelled, unlock requested, unlock cancelled, submitted. Okay, what is deposit and what is submit? I got it. Warden is the delegator, and submitted, deposit, withdraw. User should be redeem. Okay, so yeah, redeem and submitted are the users. Functions for the, no, not functions, events emitted when users use the functions, and withdraw deposit is the, I guess, delegators. I still don't know what warden is. Rule withdraw, amount, message dot sender, AVAX, withdraw AVAX from the contract for delegation. We need to learn how this delegation works, because this address is getting the amount when they call withdraw, and then I guess they are depositing that, or sorry, delegating that, deposit AVAX into contract without minting. Yes, that's my assumption. Let's go to liquid staking. Okay, liquid staking. This page serves as comprehensive overview for applications, making it easy for anyone to get started. We'll we will break this page down into three distinct sections: staking, unstaking, a guide on how to get started, key metrics and information, how to interpret additional information on the web page, claiming AVAX, how to receive your staking rewards. As a reminder, when you submit an unstake request, there is 15-day waiting period. Okay, before before you can claim your AVAX, during which rewards continue to accrue. After 15 days, your AVAX will be claimable within 2-day window to redeem it. What happens if I don't? Like, do they give that to me, or is it like, no, you can't take it? Anyway, once we can ignore this, staking and staking. Once you have gone to our application's main page, you will see an overview of, oh, we should read architecture. Well, on this page, we will provide architecture overview for when QI liquid staking based on the below graphics. Will explain how users can stake, receive S AVAX, and utilize it within DeFi while earning rewards. Okay, user is here. They stake AVAX, staked AVAX, liquid staking, receive SAVAX, Okay. They use MPC. What is this? Using some MPC technology. Funds are shared via MPC, encryption on P chain, and bridge to C chain. Okay, so P chain is the one which where we are staking, and C chain is the different part. Okay, so we do know what's happening. My assumption was correct. This is some other address which is now we know uses multi-party computation, MPC. Okay, yes, MPC. I don't know if it's great. I'm not gonna talk about it, or I don't have enough knowledge about it to do any commentary. So let's ignore that. But we do know this is our MPC wallet, which is doing everything, and we don't mind that it's happening. Accrue rewards, accrue staking rewards to pool, add amount. Okay, that's weird. Like accrue rewards is does say it does take amount, but it's not a native token or an ERC token. It's just amount. I know it's access controlled, but it's weird. It's way too weird for my liking. Cool. Anyway, we will be building dashboard for them, so I should not say that. Anyway, no one is watching, so I don't think there is an issue. Let's see. Pause, resume. Okay, everything else is very clear, and we know what's happening and what we want, what we need to do. It's very straightforward. We have deposit and withdraw, right? No. Redeem. What was it? Submit. Submitted. What's the issue? Submitted. Submit. Payable message dot value 0. Okay. Share amount. Shares equal to AVAX amount multiplied by total shares divided by total pooled AVAX. Okay, let me see where total shares is getting set. Mint shares. Do they emit? No, they don't emit. I'm pretty sure there is burn shares. Redeem. Share amount. Share amount. When redeem happens, share amount happens. And we have mint shares. Submit share amount. Okay, so we can get a submit right deposit and share amount. Total pooled AVAX transfer share amount to this. Okay, I am tripping. The transfer. Okay, transfer shares. Transfer from transfer. Why in submit there is no transfer function? Total pooled AVAX mint shares. Okay, in the mint shares they are transferring. No, they are not doing that. I'm pretty sure my understanding is wrong. Some somewhere here. Withdraw has transfer from request unlock. Okay, overdue shares. Redeem overdue shares. Some function. Redeem SFAX held in custody for given request. Redeem all AVAX held in custody for overdue unlock. Transfer shares. Sender recipient amount. Cancel unlock. Transfer from request unlock. Start. Cooldown period for share amount. Okay, cooldown means they are removing that. Okay, I guess good. I'm just gonna say that we know all the events that we need to index, and tomorrow we are going to do that. So keep that in mind. Also, if you are here, do say hi in the chat. I want to see how many people are there. So let's see. Okay, cool. Close. I'll end the stream early. I know it's only been 45 minutes. There is 14 minutes left, but tomorrow you'll get more than enough of content and building with Envio. Before we go, please do follow Envio on Twitter. Please do follow me. on Twitter and YouTube. I have all the links in the chat. Sorry, not chat, the description. So, yeah, maybe I should copy YouTube link. Yes, on Twitter, I have shared the YouTube link. On YouTube, I don't need to share the Twitter link because it's in the bio already. So, yeah, just go there and follow me. Go to Envio, join the Discord. Uh, I'm now working there, so whatever I'm saying, just assume I'm biased. I do love the tech behind it. That's why I was creating the content even before joining Envio. But yeah, from now on, I'll be officially working with Envio team as a part of Envio team, and maybe getting you guys on board. So let's see. Yeah, final few things. Thanks for joining. Don't forget to subscribe and come back here at 2:30 p.m. I guess UTC. Yeah, 2:30 p.m. UTC to see more content about NVO, about EVM, two of the most interesting things for me. EVM, it has always been very interesting, but NVO also. So yeah, looking forward to building this dashboard and getting this done quickly, like in 3 days. Okay, if you have any suggestions, do drop them in comments, in the Twitter DMs, or wherever you can reach out to me. I love to hear your thoughts. And have a nice day. See you guys tomorrow. Okay, bye.